The Nomad Wireless Hub is another new version of the wireless charging pads, which combines a regular key charger with a hidden 4-port USB charging hub at the bottom for an all-in-one desktop charging solution that can charge up to 5 gadgets in one time. The first thing you will notice about the wireless hub is that it is large. Compared to the roller coaster-like slimness of most wireless chargers, Nomad's offer is more than an inch thick. It is also quite large, which is good for anyone concerned about the sliding of their phone and its fall from that place. It also leaves more room to lose the coil in the center of the charger. At the bottom, there are 4 integrated USB charging ports, which are largely the reason why the wireless hub is so large. There is a USB-C port compatible with a 3A output, which according to Nomad is enough to support fast charging on an iPhone X, assuming you have a Lightning to USB-C cable by hand, a USB Type-A output 2.4A, 2 USB Type-A output 1A and a barrel plug for the included power adapter. The wireless charger has a maximum of 7.5 W, which is enough to quickly charge Apple's iPhone X and iPhone 8, but not Samsung's recent smartphones, which need 9 W for maximum fast charging.